Lesson 124, number 14. Got to graph it. So the numerator gives you the zeros. So you set it equal to 0. 3x equals 0. So x, there's going to be a 0 at 0. A 0 meaning an x-intercept at 0. That's the x-axis. That's the y-axis. I can't write now. Forgot to label it. At positive 2, there's going to be an asymptote. At negative 1, there will also be an asymptote. And at negative 3, there will be an asymptote. You look at the fraction. If the numerator is a smaller degree than the denominator, then it's going to be a really, really small fraction when x is large. Wait, does that make sense? If the numerator has a less degree than the denominator, then it's going to be a small fraction. So it's not negative, it's positive. So it's going to come in very close to 0 like this, and it's going to go up, it's going to see the asymptote. It can't keep going because it can't go through the asymptote, so it's just going to keep on going up. It disappeared up above the x-axis, so it has to come back in, it has to jump and come back in from below. And then it comes up, it sees that there's a x-intercept here, so it has to go through, follows it up. It left in the upward direction, so it comes back in the downward direction. There should be an arrow on the bottom of that. Comes up, it can't find a place to cross the x-axis, so it has to turn back around. Then it has to jump again, and then it can't find any way to go across, so it just looks like that. That is your graph.